Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, these are all my struggles. I went through a lot in my hair loss. I lost a lot of edges, I lost my back hair. So welcome to Natural Jessie. My name is Natural Jessie. Okay, so I will show you guys the natural ingredients I used to regrow my hair. If this is what you are interested in, please hit on the subscribe button, turn up your notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So if you're suffering from hair loss, alopecia, hair thinning, you want to grow your hair and you don't know the natural ingredients to use, I will be doing natural ingredients for hair growth. I will be doing challenges, how to hair grow your hair, 2 weeks challenges, 1 month challenges, and the rest. So I got tired of my natural hair. I wanted to cut it, but I said no, let me tint it. So I decided to tint my hair to this color, okay, and it started to grow. I don't need to cut my hair. I noticed that I don't need to cut my hair for my hair to grow. I just only need to apply natural ingredients into my hair growth journey, and this is what we are having. They can see there are some places that are bald, my hair is tattered, my hair was not looking unkempt, was not healthy. As you see in this picture, you can see there's hair growth in the other side of the video because of the natural ingredients I used, and my hair started to grow longer. You can see there are 2 different pictures, and you can see there are 2 different growths, and this is where my hair is right now. So if you want and if you like what you're seeing and you want to know more, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's grow together. Bye.